wild. Hey, Debbie. Good morning, friends. We have been having a nice spring week for once with some sunshine and warmth. So, yes, everyone is feeling in good spirits. Doppler's leg is looking better. He's actually standing here because in the morning he gets sucralfate. I probably butchered the name of that. Since he's been getting bute right now, I've been trying to just give him a little bit of a stomach buffer. He's obviously not thrilled about it. Oh, I know. We are making some slow progress. Slowly but surely. So because he's getting the stomach buffer meds, the sucralfate, he has to wait at least 30 minutes. Ideally, I try to give him like 45 before eating, and then I give him alfalfa first. So it's a great time to have him stand and get beamered. I know, the leg is clearly still a little sensitive. He also clearly really enjoyed not having a blanket on last night, and he is disgustingly dirty. I'm gonna get a few morning chores done, but he is beamering, and then we'll get back to chit-chatting about what's been going on this week, since we're having a pretty good week this week, I think, right? Richie here is notorious for tearing his boots off now. I'm trying to keep his shoes on, but he decides that playing with his bell boots and his fly boots with his mouth is more fun than keeping his shoes on, which is why I walked in with one in my hand. Hi. Hello. So Damian's been doing some light trotting. He has a recheck with the vet on Thursday, which is tomorrow, which is exciting. And hopefully we get the all clear to start conditioning him and bring him back to full work, but we'll see what they say. In the meantime, the most exciting news today is that Flower is ready to have her foal, and we are like literally waiting for the text that baby Flo has hit the ground. So I'm like so excited. Felt like all night last night, that's all I could think about is baby Flo, please give us a done filly. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'll keep you guys posted, but I'm hoping that we'll get to, she's literally ready to have her foal any hour now. So hoping that we'll get to go see her baby as soon as it hits the ground. Really excited about that. Dakota, you ready to go for a run?
Going on our morning Kubota ride. We had fun. We had a good day. I try to let her go for a run with the Kubota, but if there's clients here, I try to set a good example. And we don't really allow dogs off leash, so come on. Dakota, come. Good girl. Good girl. Come out.
Chippy Girl has been added to the daily beamer schedule too. sassy lady. So I have to Pessoa Richie this morning, and I'm gonna ride Doppler and groom and stretch them, so I figured we could all do that together. Dakota loves to make noise while I'm trying to film. She's like loudly slurping water. Richie's been really benefiting from the Pessoa work, and he looks really good and is super stretchy in it, so I'd love to show you guys that today. I don't know if I mentioned it on the previous vlog, but he was kind of cross-cantering behind for a little bit, seemed to have tweaked something. We had body work done, she couldn't find anything, so we had the vet look at him and ended up injecting his stifles. So he is feeling 110% now and back in work. So I'll show you guys what he's looking like today. He's looking amazing. I'm blown away by how nice he is. Richie's done beamering, so I'm throwing some Pessoa gear on and then we're going out to lunch. Oh, Richard. So with Richie on the lunge line, I've been working on, he's been having like a mouthy episode. I mean, he is a baby, but he's been wanting to grab everything with his mouth, and after Prince, I'm like so over that. So with Richie on the lunge, I've been trying to work on one, letting him have his playful moments, like let him blow some steam because he wants to like buck around and play with me, but I've been trying to teach him how to do that effectively. He got to the point where he wanted to like swing his head and then swing his hips and kick out at me, and I'm trying to redirect that behavior to work, that you can get your bucks out on the lunge line. That's what the lunge time is for, but we can't be naughty playful in the sense that we can't act like we're going to hurt me. So that's kind of what we've been working on. The Pessoa work has been so great for him and his back. It usually takes him some time to warm up into the stretchy work. He typically wants to go around a little bit like a giraffe at first. The left yesterday first, so today I'm going to the right first. Are you ready? Go on. Don't know how successful I will be at lunging and filming, so I'll probably keep the actual lunge portion pretty brief. His walk has even improved. You'll see though that the gnats really bother him. He's one of those sensitive thoroughbreds that's gonna hate bugs. Good boy. And that's some of that playful behavior I'm talking about. P.S. I don't recommend lunging and filming at the same time, especially when you're lunging a 4-year-old. Do not do the same things I do. Bad advice. But he's just gotten a little bit lazy. He doesn't really want to work, and then when you ask him to work, he gets a little bit of an attitude about it, and I'm just really redirecting that energy and teaching him no matter what, you have to go forward. Unfortunately, life, you have to work, and so that's kind of what we're working on. Good boy. That's really nice. He's listening to my aids and stretching into
the gaits, then I usually let him do a down transition, and whether we're cantering or trotting, I let him go down to the gate below, and that's kind of his reward since he wants to be lazy and transition down anyways. So yeah, that's Richie's lunge routine right now. Feels so nice. The spring is finally here, despite my allergies raging, although they've improved a little bit. It's okay, it's just Dakota. So since I've kind of gone on a long tangent with Richie at this point, I think we'll finish the vlog with him today. Rather than tack walking Doppler, I've got to do Richie's stretches. Hi, buddy. Hi. I've got to do his stretches, so I think we'll wrap up with that today. Are you ready to do your stretchies? Ready to do stretchies? He's like, are we doing carrot stretches? Carrot stretches are last, silly. They're last. Did you like being part of the vlog today? Did you like being the #1 vlog star? I'm just gonna close myself in. Can you do your carrot stretches for the vlog? Oh, so good. Here, does it help to come around? Oh, you're so smart. Hold on, I'm just setting the camera up. You can be the star of the show. Oh, yes. Oh, take a bath. Take a bath. Really holds on to the carrot. Yeah? Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned. I'll update you guys soon on Flower's baby. Hopefully we have a baby on the ground this week, and I get to vlog about it. Fingers crossed. Oof. Anyways, see you soon. Bye.